With Captivate 6, you can now easily add pretest questions to your courses, and you do not have to worry about the scores of pretest questions being added to the final assessment scores. Let's see how we can add a pretest screen and then talk more about where and how you will be using these pretest questions. In the course, select the slide after which you want to add the pretest question and click quiz, and there's this new option says pretest question slide. When you click that, you get the same insert questions dialog from which you can select the questions you want to add. The only change would be these will be pretest questions. Okay, so let me select multiple choice and true false and maybe 2 of each. So I have 4 pretest questions. I hit OK, and that starts inserting the question slides in my course. Now I have these pretest question slides in here. Along with the pretest questions, there is this new button that I see in Actions field which says Edit Pretest Action. Now what Captivate does is it creates a standard action for me which allows me to jump to a particular slide or continue, or it gives me a ready action which I can maybe modify to suit my needs. Now maybe I have this course in which I want the learners to attain 70% marks and only then go to the advanced section. If not, they have to go through the basic course. So let's modify this. This is the variable which stores the value of pretest percentage. So let's change this literal value of 50 to 70. Okay. And here what action do I want is I want them to go to the advanced section. So I will just select jump to slide. My advanced section starts at slide 8. So I will select slide 8, and my basic section starts at slide 6. So let me just jump to slide 6. Okay, and I will just say update. Once it updates the script, you can just close it and then preview it. I'm pressing F4 to preview my course. You will use pretests when you want to branch out based on the scores that the learner receives from the pretest. You can also use the pretest questions if you want to exclude these pretest questions from the real assessment questions that you have added to the course. So once you have pretest questions in place, they will not show up in the scorecard. They will not show up when you are reviewing or retaking the quiz. Now that the preview is here, let's maybe answer all the questions, or maybe 3 of them incorrectly. So I've answered the first one incorrectly. This is the second which I've answered incorrectly, third incorrectly. And when I answer the 4th question, it should take me to the basic quiz because I've just got 25% marks. So it takes me to the basic quiz, end of basic quiz, and says thank you. Okay, let's preview it one more time, and this time let me answer 3 questions correctly and 1 incorrectly. Let's see what happens. So it's generating the slides for me. Okay, here's the course. Here's my title page, and this is the first question. Let me answer this correctly. And this is the second question. I've answered it correctly. This is the third question, answer it correctly. And the 4th question I'm answering incorrectly. So it takes me to the advanced course section, end of advanced course, and thank you. So this is how pretests work in Captivate 6. Do give it a try.